If you want to create this type of profile image for your social media account, I'll guide you using just one AI tool. Search for Image Creator from Microsoft Bing and click on this link. It will prompt you to sign up with your email. Since I've already signed up, it's showing me this dashboard. It gives you a 15 boost daily for image generation. First, enter the following prompt in the prompt box. Adjust it according to your preferences. If you're creating an image for Instagram, replace WhatsApp with Instagram. After entering the prompt, click Create. It only takes a few minutes to design your image. Select the one you like and click Download. For this type of image, use the provided prompt and then click Create. It will generate 4 images. After selecting an image, click Download. I'll provide all the prompts, including some additional ones, in the description. Click Create, select which one you like, and click Download. If you found this video useful, be sure to click the like button. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!